Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have the Samsung A05, and of course I'll show you to fix the issue where your touchscreen is not working. Alright, so in order to troubleshoot issues where your touchscreen is not working, it's not happening to this device, I'm showing you tips how to fix your device in case the touchscreen is not working. Alright, so if you're not able to do anything on your touchscreen, especially after an update, or of course maybe there's something you have installed, here's what you do. Now the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and you're going to find your power and volume down button. You're going to press power and volume down, and what you're going to do guys is you're going to go ahead and you're just going to hold power and volume down. Once you do that guys, the device is going to force restart. You can let go of the power and volume down as soon as you see the first logo. So as soon as you see the Samsung logo, go ahead and let go. Alright, you're gonna allow the device to boot back up. If that doesn't work guys, you're just gonna allow it to boot back up and test to see if you're able to use the device. Alright, in most cases you should be able to use the device and the device should be functional again, but in some cases that might not work. So I'm gonna show you the second tip as soon as we boot back up. Alright, for this one you need to be in an off state, so if possible try to turn off the device. If you can't turn off the device, if it goes dead, simply recharge the device, and as soon as you recharge the device, while it's off, do not turn it on, and simply do the following. Alright, so once you get it to an off state while the touchscreen is not working, as indicated or showed you how to just now by allowing the battery to die. Alright, so you're gonna do a similar thing now, except with a difference. You're gonna hold down power and volume down, and what we're gonna do is to boot into Android safe mode, and this is a troubleshooting mode. So you're gonna hold down volume down and power. You're gonna watch out for any logo. As soon as you see the logo, let go of power, keep holding volume down. So I've let go of power, I'm now holding volume down. Now if you do this right, you should boot into Android safe mode. Alright, so as soon as the device boots up, you're in safe mode. You know you're in safe mode as you see it in the bottom left. Alright, so that's safe mode. So we can unlock the device. Alright, so now that you're in safe mode guys, what you want to do from here is, alright, so once you're in Android safe mode, go ahead guys and search through your apps. All apps are frozen that are not main apps. If the device is not working properly, go ahead and try to find the last at least 3 apps that you installed and try to go ahead and uninstall them, especially if they're new installs. Alright, so what should happen is that if one of those is causing the issue, it should fix the problem. Also guys, if it's a case where it's a bad update, try to go to updates and try to update your device with the latest update, as most likely there will be a bug fix, and of course the device can be updated and the issue should be fixed where this touch screen is not working. If all else fails and of course you're unable to do any of that and the issue still persists, it might be just the software, a bad software. Right, so especially if you're working in this mode, which is safe mode, it means that it's software based that is the problem. And what I suggest you do in this case to fix the problem is to go ahead guys and do a reset. So you're gonna back up your device, and of course once you back up your device guys, to get back your phone to functional level, seeing that if it works in safe mode and does not work in normal mode, it would mean that it's software, since safe mode disables all third-party software and runs just the basic stuff that was installed outside of the box. Alright, so you'd have to back up and then you go ahead and do a reset. Do the reset, go to settings, general management, and of course under general management there should be the reset option. The other option will be to boot from power on into Android recovery. I have a separate tutorial on that, and do a reset. Alright, which should only be a last resort, especially if you see that the only thing that will work is a total reset. Alright, if you do all of those, you should be good. And of course if you go back, in case you need to just exit this mode, it's very easy. Swipe down and where this says safe mode is on, tap here, and then go ahead and where it says go ahead and turn off safe mode. So once we turn off safe mode, the phone will reboot. Alright, so that's how to fix this issue. And do hope this was helpful. Please share in the comments, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.